and welcome to the Inkjet booth. We're here in Pima Maya, Las Vegas. I'm Michael Sawyer, the product manager for Inkjet Technologies. And let's take a little look around and see what Inkjet brings to your production line. All right, and what we've got here is we've got our Lynx 6900 printer. This is a CIJ printer. And what that means is continuous inkjet. What we have is a constant stream of ink going through the printer, and it basically moves it with magnetic energy to wherever the dots need to go. What I'm going to show you here is we have a guitar pick that we're actually going to print on. And as you can see, it does a nice crisp dark image on any non-porous surface. So this is very good for cans, for bottles, and that type of materials. So what we've got here, we've got our MP192 station. It's paired up with our Marksman Duo. Now what this is going to provide you is a nice durable print. It's not necessarily a permanent print, but it's going to be nice and durable. So what I'm going to show you is I'm just going to place this deck of cards in this holder. We're just going to run it by here. Now as you can see, I've made a nice crisp dark image right here on the side, and it is durable. It's very good for non-porous surfaces. What we've got here is a Marksman Pro printer. Now the Marksman Pro printer actually controls high resolution inkjet printers. We've got our Pro Series 768, our Pro Series AC, and another Pro Series 768. Each of these heads produces a very crisp, clear image on the side of porous boxes. We've got a 4-inch print head, which is the top one, the 1-inch is the second one, and the bottom one is also another 4-inch print head. Now what we're printing here is actually we're printing the people's faces that come through the booth. So if Lewis will let the box go, you'll actually see how this actually prints right on the side of the box as it's going down the conveyor belt line. We can print any kind of human readables, logos, barcodes, anything that you might need on the box. And as you can see, it's very detailed. It allows you to have any kind of capability that you need to put a nice picture on the box for it. All right, what we've got here is our Marksman Duo product. We've got it paired up with our two high-resolution print heads. They're both Pro Series 384 print heads. And what we're doing is, in the plant environment, your personnel might actually pick up the product that's inside the box, scan the barcode. That's going to be linked over to a product that's actually inside of our database. And if Lewis will let it go, it's going to actually change over to that message and print that right on the box for you. It reduces product changeover time. And again, as you can see, it's a nice quality print. We've got a barcode and several logos on this box. And one final thing about this station is we've got a couple of brackets here. We've got our integrated guide rail bracket, and what that's going to do is prevent the product from hitting the head and damaging the head. We also have a retracting bracket. And with the retracting bracket, any kind of box imperfections that could be caused by the sealing of the box are taken out, and it actually allows the box to move through the system without causing any kind of damage to the print head. All right, the Marksman Duo is actually linked up to some VX print heads. That stands for valve jet print heads. And we've got our 18X, our 9X, and our 7X print heads, and that provides you with 18 valves, 9 valves, and 7 valves of print. Now the 18 valve print head is our brand new print head. It's in 2-inch and 1-inch varieties, whereas the 9X comes in a 1-inch and a 1/2-inch variety. And finally the 7X is a complete standalone controller, and it's about 5/8 of an inch tall. What we're going to do is run through a box here and show you the print. We've got a couple of different colors of ink. The first one is going to print in black, the second in red, and the third in green. There's various ink types, as well as we can also print with non-porous substrates with our non-porous inks. Thank you for visiting the Inkjet booth. As you can see, we have a lot of inkjet technologies that I'm sure will help out your production line.